Let's talk about this one. So 65-inch TV. And so, in cases like this where you're going to have a TV on a full motion bracket, you want the sound to move wherever the TV moves. And so what we use is, with the full motion bracket, we use a soundbar mounting bracket that attaches along with it to brace it. It's all braced in, bolted in on the back of the TV. And that way it's one whole unit, the sound and visuals. And that's what I did here in Minnetonka. I'm just going through all my Minnetonka list. I do these in batches, and so this is like the 12th video I've shot today because, on any given day, I don't have time to just sit down for one video, but if I can knock out like 10 at once when I get a little breather time, that's what I got to do. That's why you're seeing all Minnetonka stuff, back to back to back to back. It's not that, oh, he had 15 Minnetonka jobs in a row. No, it's just, I'm just knocking out the Minnetonka ones is all. But yeah, this one is pretty straightforward. The They had a power bridge. They had me install a power bridge. So there are these kits that are electrical kits. So instead of tapping directly into the outlet, which is I'd charge anywhere from 400 to 500. If it's a recess box, $750 for that. Um, and so it's just a little less. It's $250 for the power bridge installation. And those are situations where an outlet's put here, and then the kit has obviously electrical wiring. And then there's another piece that's an outlet down here. And you have an extension cord that plugs this one into the existing outlet that I can't remember where it was, but wherever it was, you plug it in with an extension cord that comes with it, a heavy duty extension cord, and therefore it's bridging the power from existing outlet up. And so it's just a little more cost effective and perfect, in fact, for situations where there's going to be something covering it anyway. That way they can save a little money. The kit also it allows for you to run HDMI cables along with it. And so it's just a all-in-one solution it's still not inexpensive, but it's less expensive anyway. Nothing in TV mounting is expensive, but, you know, budgeting for TV mounting just depends on how extreme you want to go with things. But yeah, nothing to it. What did I write here? So what I do with these blog posts, I call them installation posts because it's not like a blog. I'm not really sharing my worldly advice too much, although I do on here, so that let's say you're here for DIY purposes, you'll get a little bit of tips, and then you might be able to get it done yourself and not have to hire anybody. My business is based on, if a person calls me and they're halfway through the job but hitting a snag and therefore asking to hire me, I will walk them through it. I don't have a ton of time to walk them through it, but I can, quick shoot them over a text, go, hey, send me over a photo when you get to the next step, and I'll look and I'll go, okay, here's where you went wrong there. Do this, 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 and you'll be golden. And more often than not, I can help walk them through it. I can't take a lot of time to do that because I have to do my actual work, but I like being able to do that because then when the client gets it up and they're happy, they feel like they accomplished, learned a new skill, I get super happy, and it really makes my day, to be honest. Yeah, there was nothing crazy here. Yeah, that's it. That's it for that one.